In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Find My on your Apple iPhone, even if it's dead. We know just how distressing it can be to misplace your iPhone, especially if the battery has died. So let's dive right in and ensure your device is always locatable, giving you peace of mind and increased security. First, we're going to start by opening your iPhone settings. This is represented by the gear icon you'll find on your home screen. Tapping on this will bring you into the heart of your iPhone where all the magic happens. Now, once you're in settings, you're going to look for your Apple ID. This is located right at the top of the settings menu. It usually has your name and possibly a small picture of you, so it's easy to find. Now tap on your Apple ID to open up more options. This section of settings is really important as it contains your Apple account details and the services tied to it, such as iCloud, iTunes, and of course Find My iPhone. Once here, look for the option that says Find My. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you should see Find My iPhone at the top of the next screen. Here it's vital that we activate a few settings. First, slide the toggle next to Find My iPhone to the on position. This makes sure that your device can be located when connected to the internet. Along with this, you'll see two more options that are absolutely crucial for ensuring your iPhone can be tracked even when it's dead or offline. So, the next setting you want to enable is Find My Network. This feature is fantastic because it allows your iPhone to be found even if it's not connected to Wi-Fi or data, and even if it's powered off. The network uses nearby Apple devices to pinpoint your phone's location, so make sure that toggle is set to on. Lastly, move on to Send Last Location. With this option, your iPhone will automatically send its location to Apple just before the battery reaches a critical level and shuts off. This can be incredibly helpful in tracking down your device, as it may give you just the clue you need to locate it. And voila, you're all set. Now your iPhone is configured to be found even when it's offline or out of juice. Knowing how to properly set up this feature can relieve a lot of stress if your phone ever goes missing. So remember, by following these steps, you're taking a proactive approach to keep your iPhone safe and in your hands. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.